Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. We find children falling sick too often. They are prone to many diseases. Today I am going to illustrate about a common virus that cause hand, foot and mouth diseases. It is an illness that causes sores in or on the mouth, on hands and feet, and sometimes in the legs as well. The sores may be painful. The illness usually does not last more than a week. It is common in children but can also occur in adults. It can occur at any time of the year but is most common in the summer. It is not the same as other diseases that have similar names, such as foot and mouth disease, or sometimes called hoof and mouth disease or mad cow disease. These diseases almost always occur in animals. At first, you may feel tired, get a sore throat, or have a fever of around 101 or 103 degree Fahrenheit. After a day or two, sores or blisters may appear. In some cases, a skin rash may appear before the blisters. The blisters may break open and crust over. The sores and blisters usually go away in a week or so. In some cases, people have no symptoms or symptoms are very mild. It is caused by a virus called an enterovirus. This virus can be spread through contact with an infected individual's nose and throat secretions such as saliva, sputum, or nasal mucus, blister fluid and fecus as well. Often the disease breaks out within a community. Symptoms usually appear 3 to 6 days after being exposed to the virus. This is called the incubation period. A healthcare provider can tell by the symptoms you describe and by looking at the sores and blisters. Tests usually aren't needed. This virus may be spread to another person through close personal contact, the air through coughing or sneezing, contact with fecus, contact with contaminated objects and surfaces. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is highly contagious. If you have this disease, limit exposure to others while you have active signs and symptoms, especially fever. There is no vaccine to protect against the virus that causes hand, foot, and mouth disease. To reduce the risk of infection, wash hands often with soap and water, especially after using the toilet. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces and soiled items. Avoid close contact such as kissing, hugging, or sharing eating utensils or cups, water bottles, etc. This disease usually does not need treatment. You can use home care to help relieve symptoms. All you can do is drink plenty of cool fluids to help with sore throat. Cold food such as ice, flavored ice, and ice cream also may help. Avoid spicy food and drinks such as orange juice, salsa, etc. These foods can make mouth sores more painful. For pain and fever, you may have to take an antibiotic or an ibuprofen. If you have mouth sores, it might be painful to swallow. However, it is important to drink enough liquids to prevent dehydration. If you cannot swallow enough liquids, you may need to receive them intravenously. That's for today. Hope you understood about this virus vividly, the disease, its causes and symptoms. Let's keep this disease at bay from our children. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.